What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video on this channel, man. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can just edit any photo in Photoshop. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. So today we're going to use action. Come to action and click play it. Then zoom so that you can see it clear. Brush. Come brush the hands too. Yeah, the face is now looking kinda. Make a copy of the background, then merge it. Come to filter, camera raw filter in case you have it. Then play with the colors. Reduce the highlights and the whites, add the shadows, then reduce the vibrance, bring back the whites a bit, take the black down, add the contrast a bit, then we can clearly see the shirt is alone, the body is alone. Yeah, you just have to play with these colors until you see the right thing. So I think this is okay for now. So now we're going to cut. Select, use quick selection tool. You can leave here and you cut it later. So let's first worry about erasing the main background. So after you select your photo, then select feather and put it on number 2, press OK, then press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then you can close this and you see you have no background behind there. So you can save it so that in case your power runs out, you don't mess it up. So here you can continue, you can cut the shot now since we have no background. Cut the clothes so that will make the clothes be different. So that in case we are trying to play with the color of the body, we cannot interrupt the one of the clothes. Yeah. The watch, you first leave it for now. Just cut only the clothes. Yeah, so same thing, Ctrl J. Then here we can play with these clothes the way we want. We can add the blacks, then make all these vibrance, remove them all to make them black and white. Add the contrast. You can remove the highlights. Just play with the color according to where you like your photo to be. So I think I would like mine to be like this. So now here we can now use pen tool to cut the simple background inside, the simple background which is left that we didn't cut at first. I like using pen tool when I'm cutting little places, but not cutting the whole photo. That would take me a lot of time. So there I use quick selection, but if I'm cutting a small place area like this, then I use pen tool. Same thing, make selection, put it on 2, then press OK, then just press delete. From both. Same thing you're going to do this side. So now here we have a photo with no background. So now remember we have separated the clothes plus the body. So now we can play with the color of the body the way we want. So we come back here. Remember it's no longer disturbing the clothes. So this is perfect for me. So come to camera raw filter again, select the high, then come to adjustment brush. This is the settings that it's supposed to look like. So brush the high, bracket to increase or decrease the size. I'm sorry this thing is freezing, so but let's keep going. Okay, then you brush this side too, then press OK after you finish brushing. Then clearly you'll be able to see your eye has changed from yellow to something more nicer. Yeah. So then now here you can add your background, any background you feel like adding. You can pick anything which you feel like can match with it. So now in background, you just play around where you feel like it will match the room with the background that you're trying to put. Yeah, I feel like mine will be nice on the background. If you feel like it's still not matching with the color of the person, play with it also a bit, reduce the highlights, then try we see this. Add some blur using Irish blur, so we can blur and we'll be able to see it looking nicer. So in case you're seeing the high is brown than the hands, then select the hands